Our B60 mid-size blast cabinet you see right here is a great unit. Now typically all you do for dust mitigation is hook your regular shop vac up to the back of this thing, and what that does is it pulls all the dust that's flying around in this cabinet out of it while you're blasting. Now with that you do have to use your regular garage vacuum. It clogs up your vacuum, you have to wheel it back and forth, take it on and off. All that is a big hassle. A better solution is the Eastwood dust collection system. Let me spin this thing around and let's take a look. This upgrade hooks up to the back of your blast cabinet and creates an area of negative pressure inside, totally replacing that vacuum that you've probably been using right here. It flows the air through a filter which traps all that dust flying around, and you're left with great visibility in your cabinet. It also traps up to an impressive 1 3/4 gallons of dust that might have otherwise escaped into your shop. So not only does it help keep the shop cleaner, but it also allows you to reuse the media that you might have lost. This can mount up to any blast cabinet out there, as this thing is pretty universal with its 2-inch diameter inlet. You can mount it straight to your blast cabinet like you see right here, or you could go with a wall mount for a more permanent look. And while this is universal, it does come with all the mounting hardware and brackets you need, as well as a drilling template for the mid-sized B60 blast cabinet that you see right here. This features a quiet 12-amp double insulated motor that makes about 83 decibels of noise, so it's really no louder than a regular household vacuum. The filter in there is very nice as well. Filters down to 8 microns, and we do offer replacement filters, and filter changes are nice and easy when it comes time to do so. One thing I really appreciate is this little guy right here. This is the shaker knob that allows you to easily knock loose any dust buildup that might be clogging up the inside of this system. Very handy. When this is full, you simply throw a container underneath, open the collector from the bottom, and boom, that allows you to reuse all that blast media that, again, you might have lost. Of course, build quality is really nice with this thing, as always. It's made from a heavy gauge steel, finished in a nice black powder coat as well, so you know this is going to be reliable from a build quality standpoint. And Eastwood even backs this with a 1-year warranty. Press the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're giving away a MiG 180 welder at 500,000 subscribers. Also, check out our channel as well. We have tons of great how-to content over there you're definitely going to want to see. As always, we'll have the dust collection system linked below. Thank you for watching. I'm JD. Make sure you keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.